go.
In the heart of the Forgotten Realms lies the grand city of Waterdeep. We stand as proud members of the Harpers, guardians of justice sworn to oppose dark forces. Within your Harpers group, 4 classes stand ready for action. Rogues, who strike from the shadows. Clerics, who wield divine flames. Fighters, who excel in battle strategy. And wizards, who are book-smart spellcasters. Our journey begins at the Curious Past, a shop filled with artifacts and mystery.
Your journey begins now. Step forward, adventurers. Waterdeep is counting on you.
Waterdeep will burn and all of your treasure will now be mine!
We should probably leave.
Alright, has anyone ever fought a dragon? No? You're not going to today!
tell me you brought that fun to the States.
It looks like the wand of lightning bolts.
Oh, don't take that, too. Hold on. This looks like a puzzle. Why is there a puzzle?
This puzzle opens the doors unless you've got a better way out.
Who's got a better way? For example, my cleric friend. I need you to cast Dancing Lights. Wait, you want to cast Dancing Lights? I'll give you Bardic Inspiration. There we go. Look, a room full of life-saving objects. Containers,
Grow up, Frog. Wait, the symbol's on these doors. This is the entrance to Xanthar's lair.
Archmage, do you detect any dangerous creatures nearby? Remember to be quiet. Extremely quiet.
Why are we going to Xanathar's lair?
I'm just here for the riding.
I should. Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
Whoa! Look at that dragon staff! That is shiny! Oh! Evelina! Even the dragon staff!
Be quiet!
Wait, are you gonna save the day with your sticks?
I might, but be quiet!
Why? What? Oh, yeah! Remember, stay away from...
Steal from Xanathar. No, no, no. Disintegrate. Xanathar is the rightful owner of the Dragon Staff. But don't worry, I'll make sure your deaths are quick. Do you really think you can steal from Xanathar and live to tell the tale? It's time to take a deep, permanent sleep. My baby!
Vicious mockery! Boo him now! You're terrible! You're terrible!
Get out of my sight! My Silgar! I'll protect you!
Evie, let me help you!
No, I can do it!
Hold on! Roll to light!
Bring the
Portal
sword.
ignite! Go!
Places of space!
Hold on, Evie! Stay awake, we're professionals! Come on! No sleeping on the job!
I'm not sleeping.
Let's wake up the dead!
Whoa! Spicy. Wait, did we do it?
Yep. The dragon staff is here, and there's your bundle.
Foolish Throckery and Evelina! Did you really think you did this yourselves? It was I, Lonale Star Shadow!
Whoa! This thing is alive!
Nothing can stop me now!
You've got this.
Welcome to the cult of the dragon!
Hey, look! The wand of lightning bolts says you're toast!
Wow! 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 The dragon staff is recovered, Waterdeep is safe, and our mission is complete.
And I have my new friends to thank for it.
Oh, Evelina has friends. I'm speechless.
Speechless. When?
All right. We'll secure these. You head off to the First Row Tavern. Until next time,
Our Harper friends!
go on.
Thank you for your help.
Come back again, but not too soon.
But not too soon.